BluntCut MetalWorks, February 24, 2022. 26C3 and 66 Rockwell. Sharpened with an Edge Pro at 15 degrees per side. Finished with the 600 grit diamond. It's pretty thin behind the edge. Anyway, impact to bone. Argentina lignum vitae. Bamboo. Quick check. Fine. Important test. Elk anglet tips. Quick test. No problem. .40D nail. And a little tiny little snake. Snag a little bit right there. Take a close look. Here the edge after whittle the nail. What's more impressive is the amount of plasticity and also ductility here. You can see these are actually dent. It, just beyond roll, because when you have these are mushroom in at 66 Rockwell, compared to like MetalCut, for example, you have some of the deformation. For example, I should redo MetalCut, push it a little harder. But anyway, and versus BCut here, and these are actually deformation, but you can see the amount of, you don't see the dent. So, which would mean that for this steel right here, it has high impact load. In other words, if it was a chopper, it was able to absorb a lot more force without, before it initiated a crack, because you can see all the dent but overall it performed very well. Thanks for watching.